What's going on YouTube, GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 16.6, iOS 16.6.1 and iOS 16.5.1 on all devices using the new NathanLR semi-jailbreak that was released. So as you probably remembered, yesterday I made a video about this new tool. It's essentially a combination between rootless Bootstrap and Serotonin, but all in a single application, and it does support devices that Dopamine jailbreak does not support. For example, those on iOS 16.5.1 all the way up to 16.6.1. So this tool was recently updated. A new update was released a couple of hours ago, and I'm going to show you how to install it. First, you gotta go to Nathan's post in here, this one is the latest, and click on the link in order to get the latest version. And once you have the file over here, you're going to have to transfer it over to the device. Now, if you have TrollStore on your device, you can just go on your phone on Twitter and download the file that way directly on the phone. But I have the computer over here. So what I'm going to do next is to essentially share it to my device over here. So as you can see, it's being received, and that's it. Now, as I said, if you download it directly on your phone, you don't gotta worry about this, but you're going to have to open it in TrollStore. In my case, I can press TrollStore over here, and the result is essentially the same. It doesn't matter how you download it or sideload it or whatever, you're going to have to open it in TrollStore, and it will look like this. And it tells you if you want to install it, you press install, and that's it. But as I said, this does require TrollStore to be installed. As you can see, I do have TrollStore over here, and I'm able to install applications. Now, just to confirm, this device is indeed running iOS 16.6 over here, so it should be compatible. And if you open the application, it looks like this. NathanLR supports versions 16.5.1 up to 16.6.1, and you have the big Bootstrap button over here. That's your jailbreak button essentially, and here you're going to have the user space reboot and other functions as well if you are jailbroken. So I'm going to press the Bootstrap button, and it's going to start doing the thing. So I'm going to wait for it to complete. Okay, so we got the pop-up in here to set a password for sudo. I'm going to just go with the default one, Alpine, A-L-P-I-N-E. You should probably use a better one, but I'm not going to bother. So this essentially installs a semi-jailbreak comprised of the RootHide Bootstrap, which allows you to have tweaks in applications, and then Serotonin, which allows you to have tweaks in Springboard and other daemons and stuff like that. So you get kind of like a jailbreak, really, even on the devices that are not supported. It's not a fully fledged jailbreak, but it's still better than nothing. And now we can press the big jailbreak button over here, so I'm gonna do so, and it says jailbreaking. The device shows the Apple logo now, probably doing a sort of reboot. And now the device resprung, and we have in here the application. It says jailbroken, and these are the options available: to reboot, respring, enter safe mode, UI cache, and so on. And most importantly, now we have Cilio in here that we can open, and of course we can upgrade our packages, and these are the tweaks that you have over here. So I'm gonna go here to packages, and we just have to upgrade all. That's an important step. I'm gonna press confirm, and that's it. That's really all you have to do. You should now have Cilio even on devices that do not support a formal jailbreak like Dopamine. Alright, so after this we have to reboot the device in here because the changes are pretty major. So that's essentially it. Yeah, that's how you jailbreak with NathanLR. After the reboot, you should be able to open again the application, re-jailbreak, and use Cilio to install your tweaks and so on. As I said, this works on all devices, being it the iPhone 13, the iPhone 14, the iPhone 15, whatever, it doesn't matter. So definitely check it out. Thank you for watching. I'm GeoSnow, and peace out.